Hey guys, this is Will.
Cecilia.
We're from Random Events.
Today we are heading to Iceland.
That's because it's cold in New York, so we're going to a colder place.
Well, actually, we're gonna go see the Northern Lights,
Going snowmobiling,
the Blue Lagoon,
geysers,
and a lot more. We heard that there's tons of great parties, ice bar. It's fantastic.
So now we're at the airport, and we already started on, I think, the third or fourth round of drinks, just to make sure the entire trip becomes interesting. So here's some people that are going. Wave, guys, wave, wave. Wave, wave. Woo! Yep, and that's right. And this is how we start at the bar. So we'll see you guys later. Okay, everyone, we are now getting off the plane to Iceland. It is 5 hours difference, so everyone is bright and shiny. Woo!
Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye.
And that would be Tom videotaping me, and I'm videotaping him. They made me look really bright and shiny.
Morning, willpets.com.
Good morning. So we are officially in Iceland. As you can tell, there's ice on the water. This is the People's Church. And these are the people. Hey guys, this is Hallgrim's Church.
And we are at the top.
So we're at the Hoffy House. This is where Mikhail Gorbachev and Reagan, sorry, I don't really pay attention too much on the bus, signed a treaty for something. I'm not really sure, but if you guys want to know, Google it. Hey guys, just like any good night out, it always starts with a really good pre-party. So we have this really nice conference room that we are hosting our pre-party in.
I did that over the phone.
Say hello, everyone.
To Iceland.
So we have something that's unique to Iceland. Where is it? The Iceland Schnapps.
Iceland Schnapps. Where is
Iceland Schnapps. There it is.
It's very earthy.
It's very earthy. That's the Iceland Schnapps, and it has stuff in it. Yep.
Yeah.
Cool. So hopefully you'll see video footage of the actual happy hour, but if it's good, you probably won't. Later.
A couple tries to get it right anyway. So.
Hey guys, this is Will.
This is Cecilia.
And it's 2 a.m. on Friday morning.
And we are hanging out in Iceland.
Sunrise is at 10 a.m., so we're going to be partying hard.
See ya.
So after about an hour and a half drive from Runavik, we are now at Gulfoss. Space, the final frontier. These are the voyages of Random Events, our continuing mission to do things that no one else does.
Yeah, I think we should all line up and do the Armageddon.
Don't smile. Will had the best seat.
Come over here.
This is a little bit random. Snowmobiling on the ice cap. So we made it after driving a half an hour to the center of this glacier, or part of the glacier. Whew. That. We're at the geysers. This water right here is between 80 and 100 degrees Celsius. So yes, it is boiling. What are you guys doing?
We are drinking Prevenant.
Prevedin?
Yep. Prevenant. Something that Omar, our driver, recommended. It's a very typical Icelandic shot.
We're shotting or we're sipping?
So whatever you want. Cheers!
Woo! So guys, we didn't see the Northern Lights today, but we'll have another chance on Monday. So what we decided was we'd get to have a little get together in Cecilia's room. Yeah. Hey everyone.
Hello! Alright, so this is the time we've been waiting for. So we got a speech. We have a speech.
Alright, Steve, you're on.
Steve, you're on. What's the speech?
Speech!
Guys, 1 second. I just want to say, these today have been phenomenal. You guys are all amazing. And Cecilia and Will are off the hook.
So Miriam wanted to say something.
I just wanted to acknowledge Cecilia and Will for taking care of us and planning a great trip and making it fun and friendly and with great activities.
Thank you.
Can we put this up on the thing, and can you, whatever the thing is. And this is a message to Kim, Christine, whoever, what her name is. I would have paid an extra $500 to be with these guys.
Absolutely.
So kiss my.
Alright guys, so tonight we did a Saturday night partying in Reykjavik, Iceland. Say hi everyone.
Hi.
How was it?
Awesome.
So hopefully we'll see you here next time. Off to the Western tour tomorrow.
Yes.
Ciao. Good morning guys, we're in Iceland. We're heading to the South Islands this morning.
This morning we have something very special. We see the sun on one end and the moon on the other.
So we're at the base of the volcano that erupted a few years back. And there's a big glacier on top that melts over and turns into a big waterfall. So the really cool thing about this waterfall is you can walk all the way behind it. And not only can you go behind it, you can get right up into it. And if it wasn't 30 degrees, 27 degrees here, I would jump in and enjoy it. But it's a bit cold. So this is ash from the volcano eruption as we approach the next wonderful waterfall. So this is the bed of the waterfall, and as you can tell, this is all ash, very, very black, dirt-ish looking. So we're on the Black Beach on the southernmost part of Iceland in Vik, and this Black Beach is basically little pebbles.
Also, Eyjafjallajökull is
And
there on the left.
say it one more time.
Eyjafjallajökull, the big volcano that erupted, is on the left.
Yep, there it is with the glacier on top.
Eyjafjallajökull.
Hey guys, it is 3:51 and we're 20 minutes from sunset time. It's crazy. We are at the tongue of the glacier and it's fantastic. Take a look.
Basically, a glacier recedes about 100 yards per year. So in about 50 years, this glacier will be gone. So it's gonna be pretty scary. So we're at the end of the glacier. It's just really big block of ice. Oh, and she fell. Don't try this at home. Oh, it's not wet at all. Oh, it feels really dry actually. It's weird. We're underneath the glacier. It's pretty wild. Say hi, guys. Hi. Hey guys, it's day 5 in Iceland. We're at the Blue Lagoon.
And we're gonna have so much fun because the water is bright blue, it's super calming, and some of us are gonna get a spa.
So come join us. Okay guys, so I'm at the Blue Lagoon. It's absolutely phenomenal. After a half an hour massage in the water, something that you probably will never experience if you don't come here. It was just outstanding. So just take a really quick look at me and visit all the other random events people as they go to the open bar. Look at them having fun. Say hi, guys.
Hey guys, how are you? Let me tell you, this is one of the best ways to end a vacation. You have 1 day running around, 5 days running around, and then the last day you just enjoy it, have a massage, have a glass of wine. Fantastic.
So, everyone, I know you can't really see it because it's all steaming all over the place, but take my word for it, it's absolutely gorgeous.
So, when we take a picture or video, we'll just yell at random events.
Yeah. Let's do that. Yeah. Random events!